Good morning, students. This is AK Misra. Again came here with taking a video for class 8. In previous videos, I discussed square root by prime factorization methods. In this video, I will discuss here finding the square root by long division method. In a square root find by prime factorization, you have to find prime factors and have to group of 2 of each factors. And in this method, first of all, do some process. The process is first of all group of 2 digit. Suppose I write here a number that is a perfect square. Suppose I write a number 576 and we have to find the square root of this number. Here you observe in which 3 digits. First process, you have to pair the numbers or pair the digits of the number from unit places. So you have to, first of all, you have to pair last 2 digit and here be remaining 1 digit. So it will be not be paired. Now here 2 digit be paired, and when it will be written below both digits collectively. Suppose we have to find its square root. Divide it. Here first of all divide 5 and you think what the number you have to divide, so its square be approximately up to 5. At least number which a square is not greater than 8 and not less, very less than 5. If you divide it by 1, that means 1 divide 1 into 1 times, so its value be 1. And but here if you divide 2, it's means 2 times, that means its value be 4, and 4 is just smaller than the 5. If you divided the number by 3, then it will be greater than 5. So you have not to divide by 3. So divide it by 2 into 2 times. Always remember here which is divisor and quotient be same. So here we written 4, and after that second rule, first of all subtract it 1, produce this line and add this 2, it is added here 4. After that you have to write these 2 digits collectively 7 and 6, and you observe here by which number it will be multiplied, so we get 176. That means 4. Here 4 written and 4. When you multiply 176, that means it will completely remainder be 0 and it will be 8 when you add it 8 and 4. Here this is the square root of this number. That means square root of 576 is equal to 24. And observe always here is obtained always 2 times of this. 24 2 times is 48. Again I am going to deal here another example. In this question only 3 digits, that means digits in odd numbers. Now I write her another question. 5329. Here we have to find the square root of this number by long division method. So first of all, write 5329 and pair of collectively two digits. Here two pair be done. And first divide it. You observe it is divided by 8 is divided by 7. 7 7 ja 49. If you divide it by 8, that means 8 8 ja 68 and 68 is greater than 53. So 8 8 ja 64. Sorry, 8 8 ja 64 and 64 is greater than 53. So first of all, you have to divide it by 7. By 7 times, here 49. After that, subtract this number 13. Here 4 and here cross. When here 7 is added, 14, and produce this line and think. I have write 29 and think by which number is multiplied to get 4 to 9. Here write 3 and 3. If you multiply it by getting 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12 and 3 1 4. Here remainder be 0 and here 6 4 1. That means its square root is,
That means square root of 5329 is equal to 73.
79 is the square root of. Students, after understanding the problems, here another questions is asked. Find the least number to subtracted the number to get a perfect number. Such as here I write a question. What the least number must be subtracted from 7250 to get a perfect square? That means here this number is not perfect square, and what least number is subtracted to this number to get a perfect square? To find this answer, first of all we have to find the square root by long division method. Here do the process as you studied. First of all, write this number and try to find the square root of this number 7250. To finding the square root, first of all do pairing of digits. Here 2 pair is done and divide it. You think here a square number that is just less than it. Here a square number 64. When you divide it by 8 by 8 times, 8 is 64, and if you divide it by 9, then 9 9 is 81 and 81 is greater than 72. So here it divided by 8 times and 8 8 is 64. Here subtract it. First of all 8 and crossed and 8 8 be added. When 8 8 be added equal to 16 and is produced. After that write all these number 50 and you have to think here by which number we divide here to get just below 850. Here if you divide it by 7 times, that means it will be greater than 850. If you divide it by 6 times, then 6 times also be greater than it. 6 times I think 6 times is also, suppose I write here 6 times. Here 6 6 are 36 and 6 6 are 36 and it will be greater. So you have to divide it by 5 times. If you multiply 5 5s are 25, right? First of all multiply it. 5 5s are 25 and carry 2 5 32 and 5 5 3 8. Here observe its value is when you multiply it by 5. If subtract, get here 25. 25 the remainder here 0 7 1. Observe here 25 and here 170. If you divide by any number, it will be larger number and it will be shorter. So no possibility to divide this number. Here 25 the remainder. That means when this number is 25 less, then it will be perfect square of 85. So we have to find, here we can write 7250 is 7250 is greater than 85 square. To get it be 85 square, that means required number is equal to 7250 minus 25. That means 7225 be a perfect square number. Hence 7225 is a perfect square number, and square root of 7225 is equal to 85. Friends, here another question is written like previous question. What list number must be added? In previous question, what list number must be subtracted? But in this question, what list number must be added to this number to make the sum a perfect square? When a required number be added, this number to get a perfect square number. So this type of question also be done by finding the square by division method. So here now try to find the square root of this number by long division method. Here 5607. First of all, do pair and think by which number is divided to get just a square number just less than 56. Here you write 7 times. 7 times 49. Here you get 7 and this is crossed, and 7 times 7 7 7 7 added 14. Here written 0 7, and you think here by which number it will be divided. If you divide it by 5 times, when you divide it by 5 times, it will be, I think it will be greater than 707. So you have to divide it by 4 times. That means 4 multiplied 576 and subtract it, then 131 be remainder. After that it will be 8 4 1. Here observe what list number must be added to get the number perfect square. If 131 is subtracted, then it will be perfect square of 74. But here we have to find what list number must be added. So here we have to add. So I think what square number? Just 74. 74. A square number is square of 75. That means this number is added to get square of 75. So we have to find here, write 5607 is greater than 74 square and it is less than 75 square. 74 squares greater than, it is greater than 74 square and less than 75 square. So we have to find required number, that means that number which is added to get 75 square. So required number B is equal to 75 square and minus 5607. Here 75 square is equal to 5256. 75 square is equal to 5625 and minus 5607. When you subtract it, result equal to 5, 8 and is 1. If you added 18, so required number is equal to 18 for this part. What list number must be added to this number to make the sum a perfect square? When you sum, that means if 18 is added to 5607 to get a perfect square number 5625 and it is the perfect square of 75. So square root of 5625 is equal to 75. Students, all this type of questions is given in your examples and exercise. You may complete your exercise